let's do this. Please adjust your sound if you need to. For my pointy-headed sister. Anyway, bring you up to date a little bit. So I went to the pantry the other day, and I pulled out some cherries. Back in my baking pie days, so using the U.S. Can opener company, I opened up a can of cherries. I drained them real quick, and I threw them up on the dehydrator sheet. And bang, I have Rasin-Cherries now. What am I going to do with them? I don't know. We'll see. Did the same thing with some fruit cocktail. What do you do? Well, again, cleaning out the cupboard, open the can up, take a look at it. Now, some people make fruit leather. I decided not to do that. I just went bang, some just nibblies of good candies. Bang, let's throw up some food. I had some ribeye steak left over. All right, nice. Had to make some brekkie fast. So bang, look at that. Very, very quick. Couple eggs, ribeye steak, some seasoning. You can't, what else are you going to do with it? You can throw all kinds of other stuff in it. Turn it into Mexican or whatever you want to do with it. But there you go. Pretty okay meal. Not too bad again. I'm on a carnivore diet, so there you go. Bang, would you eat that? It's ribeye steak and eggs is always a winner. It's always a winner. I wanted to revisit these for a second too. So what I did was I put them in the oven and I crisped them up a little bit first. Then I put the goods on, and I really like the picture is very dark and burnt looking, but it's really not. I really like a thin, crisp crust pizza. Right? Would you eat that? I don't like New York style or big thick. No, it's delicious. You know what? I made since they come two in a pack, I made two of them. Very, very okay. You know what I mean? Hey, leave a thumbs up. Appreciate it. Every little bit helps. It's all good. Just telling the family I'm still alive and friends I'm still alive, and you new folks, I'm here. Have a great day. Later.